10 latest gadgets for men you must have. Let's be honest, gadgets aren't just toys anymore. They're power statements, personal upgrades, and sometimes pure flex. And if you think tech for men is just about smartwatches and Bluetooth speakers, you're seriously missing out. Because the gadgets we're talking about today, they're next level. I'm talking about gloves that let you feel virtual reality, motorcycles straight out of sci-fi movies, and yachts that look like they were designed by Tony Stark himself. This isn't just tech, it's transformation. These are the 10 latest gadgets for men that you absolutely must have. Whether you're a gearhead, a gamer, or just want your friends to say, "Where did you even get that?" haptX gloves. G1. Let's kick things off with something straight out of the Matrix. haptX gloves G1. These aren't your average VR gloves. These are the first commercially available gloves that let you touch and feel objects in the metaverse. We're talking full-scale haptic feedback and microfluidic technology, tiny air pockets that inflate and deflate to simulate the texture, resistance, and weight of virtual objects. Put simply, when you grab a virtual block, it actually feels like you're holding it. But here's the catch. It's not just for gaming. These gloves are being used in fields like robotics, aerospace, and surgical training. Imagine practicing a complex operation without ever touching a human body. That's the kind of future this tech unlocks. Sure, they cost more than your PS5 and Xbox combined, but this is the kind of thing that makes you feel like Iron Man, literally. Holofan. You know those sci-fi movies where ads float in midair and spin around with 3D animation? Yeah, those aren't fiction anymore. Meet the Holofan. This futuristic display uses spinning LED blades to project stunning 3D visuals that literally appear to float in midair. Whether you're promoting your business, flexing in your man cave, or hosting a tech party, this thing commands attention like nothing else. You can upload custom 3D graphics or logos and control it wirelessly. Some versions even support audio syncing and interactive gestures. Just imagine walking into a room where your brand, or your face, is floating in midair like a hologram. Bonus? It's super lightweight, mountable, and energy efficient. Tech meets magic, and you don't even need a wand. Snap Block. Next up, something that feels like Lego got a PhD. Snap Block is an interactive modular building kit that lets you prototype robots, machines, or gadgets without needing any engineering degree. Each piece is a smart block, magnetically connected, with built-in coding logic and sensors. Want to make a robot that follows light? A motorized arm that reacts to touch? Just snap, code, and play. Perfect for tech-savvy dads, hobbyists, or anyone who wants to build something real without frying circuits or burning through solder. It's fun, it's educational, and let's be honest, it's incredibly satisfying to watch your own inventions come to life. UR101 T-Rex. Now, this isn't a watch, it's a statement. The UR101 T-Rex is a limited edition timepiece from URWERK that looks like it was forged in a volcano and worn by a steampunk warlord. Its bronze-scaled case is hand-finished to look like reptilian armor. And the dial? A futuristic orbital time display that rotates and tracks time in a way that'll make your brain do somersaults. No numbers, no hands, just pure mechanical genius. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it's the kind of thing you wear when you want someone to ask, "What the hell is that on your wrist?" If you're into watches that break all the rules while redefining masculinity in style and design, the UR101 T-Rex is your new grail piece. E-Jet Cycle. Forget electric scooters. The E-Jet Cycle is what Bruce Wayne would ride if he went full eco-friendly. This sleek, aerodynamic electric jet bike blends aviation-inspired design with street performance. It's ultra-light, shockingly quiet, and engineered for aggressive turns and insane acceleration. And yes, it looks like it belongs in a Batman chase scene. Its electric drive means you get high torque from the jump with zero emissions and surprisingly low maintenance. Plus, it's got a minimalist interface that makes other e-bikes feel like toys. Whether you're commuting through a futuristic city or just showing off on a scenic road, the E-Jet isn't just a bike, it's a statement on wheels. Jet Surf Ski. Is it a surfboard, a jet ski, a love child of both? The Jet Surf Ski is an absolute beast, combining the freedom of surfing with the power of a motorized engine. Designed for adrenaline junkies, this carbon fiber watercraft lets you hit speeds of up to 40 miles per hour while carving waves like a pro. It's lightweight, portable, and surprisingly fuel efficient. Whether you're out on the lake, the ocean, or just flexing during a beach vacation, this thing turns heads. The learning curve is surprisingly short, and with multiple riding modes, both beginners and pros can get their fix. It's not just a toy, it's a lifestyle in motion. Speakeasy Smoker Mini. For the man who takes his meat and his whiskey, seriously, the Speakeasy Smoker Mini is a must. This is a tabletop cold smoker that infuses cocktails, cheeses, meats, or even desserts with rich, smoky flavor. It's compact, beautifully designed in wood and metal, and turns your kitchen or bar into an old-school speakeasy. It uses real wood chips and a simple ignition system to create smoke within seconds. Want to serve a smoked old-fashioned at your next poker night? This is your secret weapon. It's rugged, manly, and surprisingly meditative to use. You don't just serve drinks, you perform them. X-Gun Light Gun. Calling all gamers, this one's wild. The X-Gun Light Gun is a real-world controller designed to turn your physical environment into a shooting arena. Using gyroscopic sensors, IR tracking, and haptic feedback, it gives you a tactile shooting experience like you've never felt before. Great for VR, AR, and even PC games, this gadget makes your hand feel like it's holding a legit weapon. What makes it special is the ultra-responsive trigger, the recoil simulation, and its compatibility with top shooting games. Wally Y150. You know you've made it when your boat turns more heads than the super yachts around it. The Wally Y150 is the next-generation luxury yacht that looks like it was designed by aliens, with insane interior space, panoramic windows, and the silhouette of a floating villa. It's part spaceship, part luxury retreat, and all flex. It features sustainable energy options, state-of-the-art navigation tech, and interiors that feel more like a penthouse than a boat. Whether you're hosting guests or just cruising solo, this vessel screams sophistication with an edge. If yachts had a fashion week, the Y150 would close the show and then sail away like a boss. Rezvani Beast. Last but never least, the Rezvani Beast. If Batman needed a weekend car, this would be it. With an aggressive body, carbon fiber frame, and up to 700 horsepower, the Beast is a street-legal monster built for speed, handling, and intimidation. It's not just fast, it roars. The cockpit is minimalist and brutal. Every inch is built for performance. No fancy distractions, no unnecessary tech, just you, the road, and raw power. It's rare, customizable, and entirely handcrafted. The kind of car that gets attention at red lights and leaves everything else in the dust. So, which one of these epic gadgets had your jaw on the floor? The wearable tech? The beast of a car? Or maybe the yacht that looks like it landed from Mars? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow gadget heads. Because whether you're into performance, luxury, gaming, or sheer spectacle, there's a new era of tech out there, and it's built for men who want more than just cool. They want unforgettable.